To replace the batteries in your ZOLL AED Plus, you'll want the AED face down. You'll need either a butter knife, a flat key, or even a coin that can be inserted into the slots on either side of the base of the AED. Gently push in and up on both latches to loosen them enough where you can pop open the battery compartment. Once you have the battery compartment open, you'll see 10 consumer grade 1238 lithium batteries. Go ahead and remove all 10 batteries. On your new batteries, note the date of manufacturer here. ZOLL recommends that new batteries be installed only if they're within 2 years from the date of manufacture. You also have an install before date here. It will always be March of a year. It's 10 years from the date of manufacture. This is an install before date, but again, ZOLL recommends you install these batteries within 2 years of that date of manufacture. Now, neither of these indicate the expiration of the batteries once they're installed into the AED. Once they have been installed into your AED, they will last 5 years from that date of installation. For that reason, it's really important to have some kind of a tracking system to document when the batteries were last installed. We can help you with that if you want to check out our program management services. To replace the batteries, you're going to start with the 4 on the left. Make sure your terminals are lined up correctly. These 4 first. Followed by the 4 on the right. And last, the 2 center batteries.
Adult pads.
We have to wait for the next prompt.
If new batteries, press button.
So it's really important to wait for that prompt. If new batteries, press button. And this is the button you'll be pressing. It's located right above the 2 center batteries. With some newer AEDs, it'll look like this blue button with a circular button here in the center. With the older AEDs, it's a green square. Either way, this is what you're going to press. Go ahead and close that battery compartment. Flip the AED over. Make sure you've seen that green check mark in the status indication window, and you are all set.